Question number 16. Which of the following which of the following is a terminology? First option, C. Next, option 3, scissor. A. B implication 2. C. Option 4, 1 and 3 are true. So that first, A, you take A, A, B. A value T, true, as true, false, false, true, false, false. If you take false. Next, see the next A or B. A, this symbol is what more? Disjunction. Disjunction or B. Okay. A or B. What mean? True. This value is also true. This value is also true. This value is what? False. Okay. Next, see that B intersection C they give. C means if you take them true, true, false, false. I am taking as cinema. In this condition, what we need to find out? B intersection C. Okay. B, sorry. B, uh, B conjunction C. See then B means true, true. This is true. False, true. What we take? False, true means this is also false. Okay. Next, true, false. We take them false. False, false. What we take? This is false. Okay. Next, see there. Next, A. This is what? This symbol is what one? Implication. Implication symbol we can use. Next, see that true, true. What is this? True. Okay. Next, true, false. This is false. True, false. This is also false. Next, false, false. This is true. Means what there is? Which of the following is terminology? Means terminology means all truths we get. But here two false are coming. That's why it is not satisfying. Okay. Next, see there. Then after we can check them. This option is not getting. Next, if we can check them, this option. See there. Next, see there. What we take A intersection B. Okay. In this true. What we get? This value is true. This meaning is what, mom? This symbol is what? And. Okay. Next, you see now, this value is what? True, false. True, false means this is false. Okay. Next, false, true. What we get? False, true means this is false. This is also false. Next, B, C. Okay. B means first true, true. False, true means true. True, false means true. False, false means false. Okay. Next, see there. A See that. True, true. What we get? True. Next, false, true. What we get? True. False, true. We get a true. False, false, true. Okay. All are truths. Means we are getting option is what one? Option two. But option three, we are you check, you want to check or one not there. In this, two are not there. That's why option two. Right. Okay. Question number 217, Sima. Question number 17. The contrapositive positive of the statement if it is raining, if it is raining, then I will not come. Is negation of Q tends to negation of P. This is what contrapositive. Okay. See there in these options, if you check is option one. If I will come, then it is not raining. Okay. Option one. Okay. Q means what? This is Q. Q is what? If I will come if it is not raining. Option one. Then it is not raining. Option one. Write it. Next, question number 18. The contrapositive of the statement. Uh, I go to school. I go to school if it does not rain. If it does not rain. See there, I go to school if it does not rain. Means what they are asking for this question? Contrapositive. Means contrapositive means negation of Q, negation of P. Here, options if you see there, what they give? If option one, if it rains, I do not go to school. If it rains, I do not. If it rains, I do not go to school. Uh, Next option one is not one. Option two, if you see there, if I do not go to school, it rains. If I do not goes to school, if it rains. This is option two. Next, question number 19. Question number 19. What they give in the first question? Let P comma Q R. Let P comma Q comma R denote arbitrary statements. Statements. Then the logically equivalent of the statement statement P implication Q B R. Okay. See the mark in this question. What formula we can use? Question number 19. So then P Q is, and what we can use? Negation of P and Q. This is the formula. This statement already I said. See there? See there, ma? This is the statement. P implication to Q and negation of P R Q. Negation of P R Q. Okay? See there? I'm taking this one. P implication Q R. Okay? In this, what we write? Negation of P, negation of P and Q V Q. I'm writing like this. Based upon this formula, I'm this is what this value is what for P. Q value is this one. Okay. Next, see then I'm writing this into negation of P. This value is R Q. Okay. From this I'm writing like this. Negation of P and Q. Next, equal to negation of P R. Okay. I'm writing like this. See that option is there. Okay. Up to here, right now. Next, from this, what will negation of P and Q? From this, I'm writing this one. P implication to Q. Okay. Next, this value is what? P implication to R. This is answer. Option is what? Option 2. Right. Option 2. Next, level 3. See that question number 1. Write the negation of the statement if 5 greater than 7, then comma 6 less than 4. Okay. So then what we can do? This is what P less. I'm taking this is P. This is what Q. Okay. From this, what they give? Negation. Negation of P implies Q. Okay. Negation of P implies Q equals to P. This is what this symbol is, and negation Q, and negation Q I'm taking. Okay, so that from this negation of 5 greater than 7. Next, Q 6 less than 4 equals to what we write. I'm writing this into P means what? 5 greater than 7. Next, this symbol is what? And negation of Q. Negation of Q means it will be reversed. Okay. This value is what one? 6 greater than 4. Where is this option? This option is what one? 6 less greater than or equals to 4. Option 1. Write it. Option 1. Option 1. Next question. Sudhir. Question number 2. The statement negation of P by implication negation of Q is, okay, option 1 A statutology, option 1 A policy. Next, option 3 equivalent, equivalent to P by implication Q. Next, option 4 equivalent to negation of P by implication Q. Okay, see the first P, next Q. Okay, next negation of P, negation of Q. Okay, I'm taking like this. P, Q, negation of P, negation of Q. See that P means T, T, next true, false, false, true, false, false. Okay, see therefore negation of P, false, false, true, true. Okay, negation of Q, false, true, false, true. Okay, next, see there what they give. First, you can do this one. P by implication negation of Q, I am doing first. P by implication of negation of Q. P by implication of negation of Q means true, false. It is not balancing. That's why what we are getting false. Next, true, it is balancing. This is true. False, false. This is also balancing. True. False, true. It is not balancing. What we get false. Okay. Next, sigma negation of P by implication negation of Q. Okay, by implication negation of Q. So that false, what we get? true. True means false. This is also false. This is true. Okay. Next, it is equivalent to what? Say that it is tautology. No. This is falsy. No. Equivalent to P. I am checking this one. P by implication of Q. See that P by implication of Q means true. This is true. True, false. This is not. This is false. Okay. Next, false, true. What we get? False. Okay, false, false. It is true. Okay. From this is equal to this. Okay, this both are equal. That's why equivalent to P by implication of Q. Right. So then question number 3. Which one of the following is not a contradiction? Okay, is not a contradiction. Option 1, negation of P, P or negation of Q, negation and Q. Next, option 2, consider negation of P, Q, P. Next, P, Q, P and negation of P. Okay. Next, option 4, negation of P, negation of Q by implication P tends to Q. Okay. See there, ma? Which one of the following is not a contradiction? Contradiction means false we are not getting. Okay. See there. False. All false F's we are getting. What we call them? It is fallacy or contradiction. We call them. It is. Okay. See there. From this, first I'm writing two table for this. This is P. This is Q. Okay. Negation of P. Negation of Q. Okay. Next, this is what? True. True. Next, false. False. Next, true. False. False. True. Next, false. False. What we write? This is false. This is true. Next, true. False. True. True. Okay. Next, in this questions, if you see now, we can check all. Okay. First I am checking what option 1. Okay, you see now before checking option 1, you check this one first. P and Q. Okay, P and Q means P and Q means this is true, false, false, false. Okay. Next, what is this? Negation of P and Q. What we write? False. This is what? True, true, true. Okay. Next, see there now. Negation of P and Q and P. Okay. Next, see there. This is what? False and P. Okay. False. Uh, this is false. Okay. Next, false. Next, true, true. What we get? True. Okay. Next, see there one. This one you see there. True, false means this is also false. Next, this is true, false. This is also false. Okay. That's why option right. You want to check it, remaining options also you can check it. See there now, question number 4. Write down the negation of the statement. It is raining and is cool. Okay. Negation means opposite way we can tell. Neither it is raining nor it is cool. Okay. Otherwise, why I am using neither means it is negative way. Both the condition I am telling negative way. That's why I am using neither. Okay. Write it. Option. What is the option 3? Next, question number 5. P negation of Q and negation of P Q is what? It is a tautology contradiction, tautology and a contradiction, neither tautology nor a contradiction. Okay. See that first P Q negation of P negation of Q. So that this is true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. This is what? False, false. This is false. This is true. This is true. This is false. This is true. This is true. Okay. Next, so then first you can do them. I'm doing this one. P and negation of Q. Okay. Negation of Q. P negation of Q. True, false, and this was symbol is what? And means what we get? False. Okay. Next, this is true. True. What we get? True. False, false. This is also false. Next, false. True. This is also false. Okay. Next, see there you can solve this one. Negation of P, negation of P or Q. Okay, negation of P or Q. See that one, negation of P or Q. Negation of P. Okay, false, false. Sorry, this is true. Okay, negation of P or Q means what is false and true. What we get? The symbol is what? True. Okay. Next, false, false. What we get? False. Next, true, true. What we get? True. Next, true, false. This is also true. Okay. From this, here I'm doing next this one. Okay. See there now. What is this condition? The symbol is what? The symbol is and. And symbol we are using for this code. And symbol means this is what? False. This is also false. This is also false. This is also false. Finally, what we are getting? False or contradiction. We are getting. Option is what more? Question number. Option two more. Contradiction. Write it. Next, question number 6. The negation the negation of the compound proposition. Okay, compound proposition. See that proposition P negation of P negation Q. Okay, see that first the negation of compound means if you take in brackets P negation of P and Q. Okay, if you write it negation, but first you write outside P negation of P. Okay, this symbol P Q. I'm writing like this. If you apply negation, what we get? Negation of P. Symbol is reverse negation of negation P. This is P and uh, this symbol what we get? This is not negation of P and negation of Q. Okay. Option. This is also I'm changing. Okay. From this, I will write this one into option one more. P and negation of P or negation of P. Finally, we write them this into uh, P negation of P into negation of P. Okay, write it. Okay, so then otherwise simply we can do this one. P negation, if you apply negation of P and Q. Okay. In this, what we get negation of P and this value is P. Okay. P. This symbol is and negation of Q. Like this, we will write. Okay. Write it. This was big. Next, question number 7. Siddharma. What they give? The statement P negation of Q or negation of R negation and Q is what terminology contradiction contrapposed to neither a terminology nor a contradiction. Okay, so the first what they give now P Q R three statements they give. In these three statements, okay, if we solving it is lengthy mark, that's why I'm writing P and what we write this one I'm writing into Q tends to R tends to Q. I'm writing like this. Okay. So then option is what now? Question number 7. Neither a terminology, neither a contradiction. Okay. I'm writing. I'm converting this into this one. If you solve it, what we are getting, you check it. Otherwise, I will check. See that P Q R. Okay. P Q R. I am taking. Next, P means what we take. P means true, 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 false, false. Okay, false, false, true. Okay, so then next false, true, false. Next true, true, false. This value is what one? True, true, false. Next true, false, true. Okay, true, false, true. Next, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we are getting. Next, see that false, true, true. 3, 4, 6, 7. Next, all are false. Okay, all are false. We are getting. Okay, next, Q, Q implication of R. Q implication of R is true, true. Next, true, false, false. Next, this is also true, true, true. Okay. Next, serial one. If you apply this, next you can apply this one. R tends to Q. Okay. R tends to Q. See there? True, true. This is also true. False, false, true. Next, true, false. This is false. Next, false, true. This is true. False, true. What we get false true means this is also false true means this is true. Okay, true, false. This is false. Next, true, true means this is true. False, false means this is okay. So then, in this condition, if you apply for this P and Q tends to R. Okay, up to here you apply it. What we do? Next, P. This is Q. This symbol is what? And means true. Okay. Next, true. This is also Next, false, true. This is false. Okay. False, false. This is also false. True, false, false. Okay. Next, true, true. This is true. Okay. Next, false, true. This is false. Okay. False, true. This is also false. Okay. Next, serial one. Up to here completed. Next, apply for this one. This symbol is what? R. R symbol. I am applying there. This R symbol if you apply it. R symbol if you apply it. T T. This is true. Okay. T T. This is also true. False false. This is false. Okay. Next, false true. False true means true. False true means true. True false means true. False true. Okay, one false we are getting. From this option, question number 7, see there option what they get? It is not a tautology, it is not a contradiction. This is all not a contra positive also, neither a tautology nor a contradiction. Option 4, write it. Next question number 8, if Sima, let S be a non-empty set of R, consider the following statements. P. There is a rational number x belongs to x such that x is greater than 0. Which of the following statements is the negation of the statement P? Okay. Negation of the statement means there is a what they give x is greater than 0, there is a rational number. Negation of the statement means x is less than or equal to 0. This is the negation of the statement. That's why there is a rational number x belongs to x such that x less than or equals to 0. Option 4. Okay, write it. Next, question number 9. Contradiction, tautology, or tautology and contradiction, neither a tautology nor a contradiction. Options they give. Okay. First, you see there now. First, uh, P Q R. If you take P Q R, taking next, this is what true, true, true. Okay. From here, true. This is false. This is false. Next, true, false, true, false. Okay. Next, Siddharma, uh, in this false, false, true. Okay. Next one, if you take true, true, false, true, true, false. This one is what? False, true, true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, remaining one is what? False, false, false. Okay. After this, Siddharma, uh, R, P. Okay. R, R, P. Okay. R means what? T, T. This is true. False, T. This is true. False, false, false. True, false. True, false, true. True, true. Next, true, false. True, false, false. What we get? This is false. Okay. Next, R. This is R, R, Q. R, R, Q. Okay. Siddharma, true, true, false, false, false. What we get? False, false, true, 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 false, true, false, true, true. Next, true, false, true. Next, true, true. What we get? True, false, false. What we get? False. Okay. Next, say that P. Next, before writing this, R, P, S, R, Q. I'm solving this one for this one. This symbol is called implication symbol. In this implication symbol, true true means what we get true. True false means what we get false. False true means true. True true means true. True true means true. True. This is also true. This is also true. Okay. Next, so that I'm taking what P Q. Okay. P implication Q. Okay. P implication Q means true, true. What is this? True. And true, false. What we get? This is false. False, true. True. Next, false, false. True. Okay. True, true. What we get? True. Next, true, false. What we get? False. Next, false, true. What we get? Okay. False, true. False, false. What we get? True. Okay. Next, we can solve this one. Okay. So then, from this, what we get? True, true. What we get? True. False, false. True, true, true. False. True, true, true. Next, fourth. That's true, true. What we get? False, true, true. False, true, true. Finally, what we are getting? Capital E. Write it. Okay. Next, question number 10. If you take the factors, what roots are what we get? 3 comma root 2. Okay. 3 comma root 2 means it is what? Uh, cube. Q means what? Rational numbers. In this rational numbers, 3 only possible. That's why option 2. Next, question number 11. See there, ma'am. Suppose a natural number n is odd uh, and q is natural number. Natural number n is not divisible by 2. Okay. What is uh, divisible to? By conditional they are asking. By conditional means what? If and only. If and only a natural number n is odd. If and only if it is not a divisible by 2. Okay. Option 2. Write it. Option 2. Next, see there now. Question number 12. Write a negation of the statement in triangle ABC is isosceles. Then the base of the angles A and B are equal. Okay. Negation means in a triangle ABC is isosceles and the base angles A and B are not equal. Okay. They said what? Equal. Base angles A and B are equal in isosceles triangle. They said. Negation means A and B are not equal. This is the negation. That's why option 1. Okay. Next question number 13 Sima. What they give? The statement P Q plus P is equivalent to equivalent to. Okay. So the first you can take P. This is Q. Okay. P Q. This is true. This is true. True. False. False. True. False. False. Okay. First you take Q conditional to P. Means implication. If you take Q means true, true. What is true? True means true. Next, false, true. This is also true. True, false means false. False, false means true. Okay. Next, you take P implies Q implies P. Okay. See that? If you apply for this one, what we get? True, true. Next, true, true. False, false. What we get? True. False, true. What we get? True. Okay. Order only we are getting. Next question number 13. You want to check it. What they gave first, first option they gave so there I am checking that P tends to Q. Okay. P tends to Q they give. Okay. First you check P tends to Q. Means P tends to Q. What we get first after I'm solving first this one. True. Hence this one also false. This is what false true means. This is what true. False false means true. Next, if you apply P, P means what we are true true means this is true. Next, true false. False. This is why we it is. There we are getting false. That's why it is not satisfying. That's why option one I am not taking. Next, option two, you take it. Option two, if you see there, what they give P Q. Okay, see there. First, I am solving this one. Okay, if you solve this one, Q. This symbol is what? R. R. Okay, Q. True. True. What we get? True. Next, false. True. This is also true. False. True. False. False. This is false. Next, if you apply P, P means true. True. What we get? True. Next, true. False. What we get? Okay. True. True. What we get? True. Next, false. True means this is true. False. False. What we get? True. Finally, we are getting the terminology. That's why option two. Write it. Okay, ma'am. Those who are completed, they can leave the meeting.